What up, what up, what up? It's your boy D-House in the building. Well, look at here what we got. We at the Intuit Dome here in Inglewood. They done got the pedestrian bridge up. They got the tubing for wiring, but electrical as well attached to it. They got the pedestrian bridge up. Wow. They finally hooked it up. See the big crane, I guess, lifted it. It's official. Pedestrian bridge going to the parking structure. Pedestrian bridge. Live in the Intuit Dome, then they got all the glass up. We're under the bridge now. I look under it. Still a lot of the steel stuff ready to be put in place. It's looking good, looking good. We live at the Intuit Dome here in Inglewood. It's crazy to see this going across Prairie like that. Look at all the glass. All the glass that went in over there. I got a female. I got a female. I got a female cane corso. How old? Mine is 2. Pedestrian bridge, looking good. Intuit Dome. Hey, was you giving her some money? Huh?
I was. All the other people was up there. She don't even know how much money she made.
Okay. So you was counting out for it?
The ride that she wanted cost $3. She said, "Yeah, well, give me a bottle of wine. $15 fucking for that."
Didn't even know how much she had, right?
All right, my brother.
All right. The pedestrian bit. Huh? Right. Gotta do the right thing.
I was reading my best book in the morning.
Yeah. All right. Pedestrian bridge. Intuit Dome. So glad they got it in. I'm on the other side. I'm gonna walk a little further away so I get a better view of it. But the Intuit Dome, they got the glass in all the way around. So here we go. All the way to the parking structure. Intuit Dome is looking good. So glad to see it up. What up, John K? I'm out here doing it. He always gives us updates on the pedestrian bridge or Intuit Dome. Yeah, that's how it looks, folks. Looking good. This the parking structure. across the street from Intuit Dome. Big airline going over. As you see all the glass that went in. Guess for the offices. Guess these will be all the offices and everything for the Clippers. I guess my man's office is on the top floor somewhere. You probably have a nice big spacious office. Look at this bridge again. Look at that. Look at it. And pedestrian bridge going across for Intuit Dome. I had to come by and get some video of it. Wanted to check it out. Make sure y'all see it too. Those don't get a chance to come to Inglewood, California to check out the Clippers' new stadium. So as you see the new parking structure for the Clippers parking. This is for all y'all that can't make it to Inglewood, California. Glass is all the way around to the other side. That's all done from what I can see. And they still got put some paneling up top, look like. You gotta finish that top level. And I guess there's gonna be signage on the outside, digital signage on the top, on the roof, let you know where you at. Then you know Intuit, they signed a big contract with the Clippers Stadium. So I'm sure they're gonna be around for a while with that naming rights. But that's it right there, the pedestrian bridge. That's the main reason why I came out here. Get the video of this, take a few pictures of it, post it on my YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok account. Wanted to make sure we all got it in. As you see the traffic. They still doing some groundwork, laying stuff in the ground over there. Get it in. Looking good. This new stadium we're gonna have for the Clippers. Can't wait. I already got my season seats. I'm gonna be sitting somewhere in there. Forgot what section I'm gonna be at, but I'll be in there. The new pedestrian walkway, they're looking good. Big crane. Guess I can go now. Got my footage I need. Upload to YouTube. So glad you guys came through. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think. I'll get about 10 minutes, I think. Like I said, this is looking good. Can't wait to see how the final thing gonna come out. They put a new motel across the street, or right next to Intuit Dome. It's gonna be new. It's already open. It already has tenants going in, customers using it. Another airplane going over. Yeah, we're in the flight path of LAX. Everybody, right near LAX. This looks good. Like that glass, that old shiny glass. You got to keep it clean too. Like I said, the pedestrian walkway is good. Try to use my digital camera and my cell phone at the same time. I forgot to put my microphone on. Hopefully the audio will come out pretty good. Yeah, I forgot to put my microphone on. That's one thing I was rushing trying to do it. Well, thank you for watching my YouTube channel.